Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sai and I work as an IT technician for one of the semi-government companies in Australia. Today I'm going to talk about 3 steps to manage emails and increase your productivity. The 3 steps will be on the screen for you and timestamps will be in the description. We want to make sure that email client is meant to do what it's designed for, which is deliver valuable information and not junk. Well, you must have guessed. Go through your first few pages of your emails and unsubscribe from mailing lists. I personally don't prefer the third-party services like Unenroll Me due to obvious reasons. One thing I can recommend you is that you don't have to unsubscribe to all the email spam or unwanted newsletters at once, but you can just do it 1 or 2 pages today and unsubscribe to the emails as they arrive in the future. And now, go back to your personal emails or inbox and spend the next 6 months sorting out the emails. No, just kidding. As mentioned by Tiago Forte and many great minds, we just need to move all the existing emails into a folder and be done with it. In this case of Gmail, I'm creating a label with name Archive December 2020 and move all the emails into that label. To create a label in Gmail, click on gear icon on the top right corner, see all settings. Under the labels section, click on create new label. Excuse me, being a mate who completely relies on autocorrect, I didn't know the right spelling of archive. Now, here you go. To select and move all the emails to that folder or label, click on the checkbox at the very top and click on select all emails, click move and then select the folder Archive December 2020 which we've previously created. Do this for all other categories. Remember, this will take a while based on how many emails you're moving at once. Once you have done that, all the emails in all the categories are moved to Archive December 2020 folder and it's clean. Congratulations, you have successfully managed your emails. Now that all the old emails are out of the way, we want to make a perfect organizing structure for future emails. Now this part is a little dramatic. I've modified PARA method, like para method, and gave it my touch. I'm creating 4 broad categories. They are education, personal finance, and work. And each category has a permanent folder called archive. When you receive an email and finish the conversation, it inevitably goes to the archive folder in one of these 4 categories. When I receive an email in the future, it will initially move to one of the main categories, for example, personal folder. And when the conversation is finished, it goes to the archive under the personal folder. Now create 4 main categories called education, personal finance, and work. To create a subfolder, click on the 3 dots beside the main folder and then create a subfolder called archive. Since I've learned the correct spelling of archive, let me change it. I've had to deal with my home renovation codes and warranties. In this case, I've created a folder called house under personal. When the conversation with the builders is done, I move the whole folder to archive. This way, it's out of the way and also at my fingertips when I need it. One more thing, it's often a good practice to have no more than 4 main categories and 4 subcategories. Having more categories or subcategories confuses you in the long run. Trust me, I've been there, done that. Alright, congratulations once again. You've created a structure for future emails. The next step is modify Gmail app. Firstly, log into your Gmail using Chrome or Edge or any other browser. Oh, except Internet Explorer. I'm using Edge in this case. Click on three dots in the top right corner. Under Apps, click on Install this site as an app. Now click on Install. It immediately opens Gmail on another window. You can pin this new Gmail app shortcut on the taskbar or Start menu. This way, you can access your Gmail with just a click. The next few steps are complete cleanup of Gmail and make sure the important emails are not missed. Click on the gear on the top right corner and click on All Settings. Now under General, under the Conversation view, make sure the Conversation view is turned on. Then scroll down and create a signature for your emails here. Email signature along with keyboard shortcuts, which I'm going to show you very soon, will save you tons of time. You can also add multiple signatures, like one for your friends, one for your family, or maybe one for your colleagues or whatever. That's about it. Then click Save Changes at the bottom and head to the next tab. Managing labels will help us clean the sidebar and make it look clean. Remember, cleaner the workspace, the better you'll perform. Here you can hide all the unwanted labels. So let me hide it. Oops, I can't hide it. Let me refresh the app. Oh, by saying that, you can click on the refresh button on the top left corner. Hope I can hide it now. Here you go. I'm now hiding all the labels which I don't need. One quick thing is that if you use functions like schedule emails or spam or drafts, you can click on show if unread, which means that it'll be hidden until there is something in that folder. This is a newly created folder. I'll hide that too. I think I'm good to go with this. Click on Inbox. This will remove all the other categories within Gmail app. What it does is that any social or promotional emails will be visible in your primary inbox. This will help you manage your emails even better. You can see that all the categories are gone. We're not yet done. Click on All Settings once again, go to the tab Chat and Meet, and turn off Hangouts and Meet function. You can leave it on if you want, but I never use it, so I'm just turning it off. And save changes. Hold on, we're still not done. Head to All Settings again. I missed to tell you something else. Click on Inbox and scroll down to find Reading Pane and check the box Enable Reading Pane. Generally, it's turned off, so turn it on. Select the way you want to view the emails and click Save Changes. Let me send myself a test email and show you how the email reading pane works. You can reply and do usual stuff from here. You can change the view from vertical view to horizontal view if you want. Do you want to delete my test email? Maybe not. I'll do it later. Okay, let's head to settings once again and click on Advanced. Now click Custom Keyboard Shortcuts and click Save Changes. Click on Settings to find a new tab called Keyboard Shortcuts. Once you remember these shortcuts, it will be lifesaver. I pressed on C on the keyboard to compose an email and Shift Enter to send. Hide the sidebar too if you want a bit more space on your Gmail app. To truly make Gmail as an app, you wanted to use it without internet, right? Yes. Okay, head to Settings, now to Offline. Click on Enable Offline Email. Change the sync settings to desired dates. Now click on what you want to do with your downloaded emails after you signed off from the computer. Now click Save, let it refresh the page and start the sync. You can see the progress bar here. Until the sync is complete, you shouldn't disconnect the internet from your computer. As you can see, the compose or any button doesn't want to work as it stopped the sync. Let me reconnect the internet back. While the sync is going on, head to settings again. Promise this will be the last time I'll take you there. And click on labels. Under that, you can find a new label called Outbox. So Outbox means that when you send an email and if your Gmail app detects that it doesn't have internet, it will put all the emails you've sent to the Outbox until it connects to the internet. Click Show if unread beside it. So we just changed the settings so that Outbox is hidden, but it will be visible only when there is an email waiting to be sent out. Now that the sync is complete, I can test the offline mode on Gmail. As you can see, Outbox is visible now and waiting for internet. Since I sent a test email to myself, Gmail detected the recipient is me and just sent a snippet of the email to me. Once I connect to the internet, it disappears from my Outbox and got the complete email. Anyway, that's about it. Thanks for hanging tight till now, and like the video if you like it and subscribe to my channel if you didn't already. Share it with your friends if you think they'll benefit it. And until then, see you next time. Bye.